In this video, I'll show you how to move cells in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file and selecting the cell or range of cells that you want to move. Once selected, hover your cursor over the border of the selection until you see the hand or move icon appear. Click and hold, then drag the selected cells to the new location where you want them to be placed. Release your mouse to drop the cells into the new position. The content will automatically move without affecting the rest of your data. If you prefer another method, you can also right-click the selected cells, choose Cut, then go to the new location, right-click again, and select Paste. You can also use keyboard shortcuts by pressing Ctrl+X to cut and Ctrl+V to paste. And that's it. You've successfully moved cells in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.